Good morning, everyone. Math Grade 3, first term 21-22. Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Thousands. Now let's go to apply a new place value which is called the 100,000. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds, and put our comma which is called the thousand. So read the number to the left of this comma which is called 614,823. We have here 1,000, 10,000, and applied a new place value which is called 100,000. Now let's go to put this number in three different forms. First form, which is called standard form, ones, tens, hundreds. Then put our comma which is called 1,000. Then read the number to the left of this comma which is called 614,823. Next form, which is called expanded form, we just put the value of each digit, then put plus among them. Here we have 3 plus 20 plus 800 plus 4,000, 4 and 3 zeros, 1 and 4 zeros, which is 10,000, and 6 and 5 zeros, which is 600,000. And we have another form of expanded form. We just split this number using your pencil in two parts. First part, which is hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds part, 823 only without any zeros beside it, plus the thousands parts, which is 614,000, and put beside it 3 zeros. It will be 614,000. And the last form here, it will be word form. Here we just read this number from left to right. Then as we read it, we write it 614,000, then put our comma, 823. Good job. Let's go to solve some exercises on this lesson. We have read, then put each digit in its place value cup. These cups we have in our math corner. We just read this number, then put from ones place until you finish all the digits in these cups. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds, then put our comma which is called 1,000. This number is called 327,123. Then, beginning from ones place, we have 3 in ones, 2 in tens, 1 in hundreds, 7 in thousands, 2 in 10,000s, and 3 in 100,000s. Next one, here we have ones, tens, hundred, and our comma is called 1,000. Then read the number to the left of this comma. It will be 987,654. Beginning from ones place, here we have 4 in ones, 5 in tens, 6 in hundreds, 7 in thousands, 8 in 10,000s, and 9 in 100,000s. Good job. Now let's go to another exercise. Write numbers in each standard form. Here we have expanded form, and we just want to combine this number to form standard form. We just first, write our place values as we learned before. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Then put each digit in its suitable place value. Here we have 7 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place, and 1 in 100,000 place. And read this number, it will be 152,677. Next one here, we have this expanded form. We have two parts only. Then we want to combine this number together. We just cancel these zeros and put this number instead of them. Then it will be like this. We just put our place values, then put 284 in ones and tens and hundred place, Then put the rest of this number in thousands place, which is called 726,000. Now let's go to number C. We have here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Then put each digit in its suitable place value. 1 in ones place, and 1 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place, and 1 in thousands place, and 3 in 10,000 place, and 5 in 100,000 place. This number is called 531,111. Last one here we have this expanded form. We just combine these two parts in just one standard form. We just write our place values and we cancel these three zeros and put these three digits instead of them. Then it will be 999 in ones and tens and hundreds place. Then put in thousands place 999, and don't forget to put your comma. Good job. Then this number is called 999,999. Write the number in its expanded form. We have a standard form and want to expand it in its expanded form. If we have more than two spaces, then we put each digit in its place, in its value. Okay, we have here, we can begin from right or from left as you want. First of all, write the place values above these digits. Then, if I begin from right here or left, then it will be 300,000, 10,000, 6,000, 280, and 1. Next one here, we have just two spaces. Then we need to split this number in two parts only. First part is ones and tens and hundreds, and second part is thousands parts. Then we put beside this part three zeros, as we will see now. If we write our place values here, first part it will be thousands parts, 102,000. We put three zeros. Then the left of this number it will be 345. Good job. Now let's go to our exercise. Write each number in its standard form. We have here word form and we want to exchange it into, yes, standard form. Just read until you reach thousands, then stop. Then complete reading, then write the number. 166,000. Then write it, it will be 166, then put the comma. 566 will be 566. Next one, number 924,000 and stop. It will be 924,000, then put comma of thousands, then the rest of this number and 8. 8 here is ones place. Then what we will do in tens and hundreds place? Yes, good job. We will put zeros. Then it will be and 8. Okay, write each number in its word form. Here we have ones, tens, hundred, with a comma of thousands. Then read the number to the left of this comma. It will be 219,335. And as you read this number, you write it. Here we have 219,000. Begin from left, it will be 219,000 and put a comma, and the rest of this number 335. 335. Next one, we have here ones, tens, hundred, and a comma. Then raise the number to the left of this comma, it will be 999,999. Then write it 999,000, then stop and put your comma, then complete reading, it will be 999. Good job. Put the suitable sign, more than or less than or equal to. Begin from counting. We will count the number of digits in each number in both sides. Now, when we have this number of digits, then this number is a smaller number. If we have the greatest number of digits, then this number is the biggest number. Okay? If we have the equal number of digits in both sides, then begin from left to compare. First here count, we have here 6 digits and we have here 5 digits. Then the bigger number, which is the number which has the biggest number of digits. Then this number is called 241,432 is more than 67,129. Number 2, we have here 1,001, 100,001. Here we have 100,000. First of all, yes, exchange these. Word form to, yes, standard form. It will be 100,000. Which is bigger? 100,001 or 100,000 only? Yes, 100,001 is more than 100,000. Next one we have here 519,021. And here we have, yes, expanded form. First of all, let's change this expanded form in standard form. We have here two parts. Yes, we will cancel these zeros and put ones and tens and hundreds instead of them. Then this number, it will be 519,210. If we notice here, we have the family of thousand is the same here. Then go to hundreds place. We have here 0 in hundreds place. And we have here 2 in hundreds place. Then which is bigger? Yes, good job. Then 519,021 is smaller than 519,210. Here we have last one. We have here 990,550. And we have here expanded form. Yes. First of all, make it a standard form. Cancel these zeros and put ones and tens and hundreds instead of them. Then it will be 99,550. Which is bigger? 990,550 or 99,550? Here we have 6 digits and here we have 5 digits only. Then it will be more than. Arrange the following numbers. We have ascending order from the smallest to the greatest, and it's descending order from the greatest to the smallest. In ascending order, search for the smallest number of digits in these numbers. We have here 6 digits, 5 digits, 4 digits, 6 digits. Now the smallest number it has, yes, 4 digits. Then cancel it and write down it here. Next one, we have here 5 digits. Cancel it, then write down it here. And we have here 6 digits and 6 digits. From highest place value, here we have 2 in hundred thousandths place and 7 in hundred thousandths place. The biggest will be, yes, 700. Sorry, the smallest will be 219,601. And the last one will be 710,222. In descending order, we beginning from the greatest number to the smallest number. Count the number of digits. It will be 5, 6, 4, 6. Then we have here two numbers has 6 digits. Beginning from highest place value, here we have 6 in hundred thousandths place and 1 in hundred thousandths place. Then the biggest number will be 633,012. Next one will be 149,112. We have here 5 digits and 4 digits. Then 5 digits it's more than 4 digits. Then it will be 27,912. and the last number will be 6812. Good job. Form the greatest and the smallest numbers from. Here we have some chords, and we want to form the greatest number, and some chords to form smallest number. If you remember, in the first part of this lesson, we have chords, and the greatest number here will form, yes, we will take the greatest number here in highest place value. It will be 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. Once tens hundred, then put your comma. It will be 987,654. Here we have, yes, six chords 2, and we want to form the smallest number. If we begin from, yes, the smallest number is 0. Can you put 0 in the highest place value? No, because 0 on left part, yes, has no meaning. Now let's go to choose another. The second smallest number, it will be 1. Then choose 1 and put it on the highest place value. Then put 0 after it. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then count once tens hundred and put your comma. Then read this number 102,345. Good job. Last exercise here. Think, then answer the following questions. First of all, you must read this question very carefully. Who am I? I am a number formed from 4 digits. I am a number formed from 4 digits. Then the highest place value here is thousands. And I have 0 in tens place, ones in ones place, 4 in thousands place, and 9 in hundreds place. First of all, we will, yes, order these digits from thousands place in highest, yes, highest place value, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. This number is called 4901. Second one here, who am I? I am a number formed from 5 digits. Formed from 5 digits. Then the highest place value here is excellent, 10,000. And I have 500s in hundreds place, 3 in thousand in tens place, 3 in 10,000 place, 2 in thousands place, and 0 in ones place. Let's go, yes, to yes arrange these number digits from, yes, biggest place value. Here we have 3 10,000, 2,000s, 500s, 3 tens, and 0 ones. This number is called 32,530. Next one here. What is the smallest 6-digit number? If you remember, the smallest number is 0. Can you put 0006 times? This number is called 0, but it's not 6-digit number. Then, instead of writing 6 zeros, we put just 1 in the highest place value like this, and write down 00000. The rest of this number will be zeros. Then we will have 1 in 100,000 place and 5 zeros. This number is called 100,000. Next one here we have, what is the greatest 6-digit number? Yes. If you notice that the greatest number, yes, the greatest 1-digit number is 9, because 10 has 2 digits only. We need 6-digit numbers. Then we will take 9 in the highest place value, which is 100,000. and put 9 and 9 and 9 and 9 and the last 9. Then we have 6 digits. Each digit is a 9. This number is called 999,999. Is the greatest 6-digit number. Good job. Goodbye.